Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Icon ICX token, and I will tell you my next immediate short-term targets, my next medium duration targets, and my next long duration target for this token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is CoinGecko page of Icon and it is currently trading at $2.42 and price decreased 3.4% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 73 and this is the website. Just click on this tab, this will lead you to the website, and this is the website of Icon. And connecting crypto to real world. The Icon network is comprised of various institutions ranging from financial institutions, insurance companies, hospitals, universities, and more. Please visit this website and please do your own research before entering in this project or before buying this token, because this video is only for informational purpose. I will not responsible any of your financial loss. These are some latest news regarding to this token, and please visit this website before investing in this token and please do your own research. Let's dive into the CoinGecko page. Market cap of this token is $1.4 billion and 24-hour trading volume of this token is $226 million. Circulating supply of this token is 595 million, which is very good, and total supply of this token is 800 million. And current rank of this token is 73, and this token gives 60% profit to its holder in just 30 days. And this token gives 1149% to its holders, and in 1 year this token gives this profit. Return on investment is 2071%, which is very good. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.08%. All-time high of this token was on January 9, 2018 and the price was $13. All-time low of this token was on January 3, 2020, about 1 year ago. This token is listed on these exchanges: Binance, Crypto.com, HitBTC, and some other exchanges. And if you want to buy this token from Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds. And if you want to do leverage trading in Bybit exchange, then this is the link. Let's dive into some informations, and let me please show you some fundamental news and some events of this token. And I think this token will pump in 2021 and it will hit my targets. Let's dive into the fundamental analysis. On 13 April 2021, Balance DeFi launch, mainnet launch of Balance, and on 31 May 2021, Icon token swap launch. This is very big event. Data migration work before or on 30 June, and bridge release. We are excited for the launch of the bridge with current expectations of a Q3 2020 launch. Equity exchange release. This event will be on 30 September or before 30 September. These are 5 major events this token have in 2021. Let's dive into the charts and let me please do technical analysis, and let me please tell you what are the targets. This is the Icon Tether US 4-hour Binance chart. Let me please show you first the chart. Let me please show you. Let me please convert it into the day chart. Here you can see. In this chart, all-time high of this token is $2.67. This is Binance chart. And let me please tell you my immediate short-term target. Currently it is in this ascending channel, and it is currently at $2.40. These green lines are support zone, and this is the horizontal resistance. Let me please tell you my first target, and after that I will tell you my medium and long duration target for this token. Our first target, once it breaks this horizontal resistance, which is at $2.67, after that it have to go to 3.32 will be our first target. Let me please show you the second target. Here you can see this is a beautiful W-like pattern. Let me please show you. This is the W-like pattern, and this is a big W. Here you can see this is the big W. Once it breaks this big W, then what will be our target? In that case, our target will be this. Let me please show you. This is the neckline of this token, and neckline of this W pattern. This is the neckline, $2.45. And let me please show you what is the target. In that case, this will be our target, $3.5. Let me please arrange this. $3.55, or you can say $3.5. These are two immediate short-term target for this token right now for me. And let me please show you something very, very crazy. Please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now. This token break all time. Let me please show you. Here you can see this token break its all time high on this chart, and now it is retesting this. Here you can see. And let me please show you what is next. In that case, here you can see this will be maybe a cup and handle pattern. Maybe it will go down like this, and after that it will, I think it will go up. And let me please show you the target. In that case, please friends, thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. $4.86. It will give you, let me please show you. Approximately 100% profit. I think these are immediate short-term targets. I think this token can hit these targets within days or within some weeks. I think so. And let me please arrange this chart again. And let me please tell you my medium duration and long duration target for this token right now. Let me please remove some drawings. Let me please remove this. Let me please remove this. Please stay in this video, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Please friends, please stay in this video. Our first target, first medium duration target will, sorry for that. Our first target, first medium duration target according to the Fib retracement will be 183%, and it have to hit 6.86, you can say $7. I think this is very realistic target. $7 is our medium duration target for this token right now. This is the medium duration target for this token right now, $7. And I think this token can hit this target within 6 months. I think this is the target of 6 months. This token have to hit this target within 6 months, I think so. And I am much sure that this token can hit this target. And let me please show you my target of 2021 till end 2021. I think till end 2021 maybe it can go to $10 and it have to hit this 300% gain. This is the target of 2021. I think this token can hit this target within 2021. This is the target. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you are new user and if you are watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel and please join my Telegram channel. On Telegram channel, I regularly update charts and I regularly upload charts and price targets. Thanks for the watching, friends. Keep supporting me.